Are you looking for the best and affordable VPS hosting? Upgrading to a VPS virtual private server will drastically improve your site performance. For those of you who are starting a new site from scratch and expecting tons of traffic from the beginning, getting a VPS hosting plan out of the gate is a viable option. And, in this video, I'll discuss two of the best and cheap VPS hosting providers and break down their pros, cons, pricing, and details. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're planning to make a web hosting purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the link below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. Now let's talk about the two best and cheap VPS hosting that you can choose. So the first one is Scala Hosting. So Scala Hosting provides hosting like WordPress and shared web hosting. But Scala Hosting is a very well-known web hosting company when it comes to VPS hosting. If you're a beginner or an advanced user, then Scala Hosting is by far the easiest way to control VPS. So first let's talk about Scala Hosting pricing. So Scala Hosting provides three shared hosting plans: Mini, Start, and Advanced plan. The starting is only $3.95 per month. With the Mini plan, you can create one website, you will get 20 GB SSD, free migration, free SSL, free CDN, unlimited bandwidth, and a one-click WordPress installer. But with the Start plan, you can create unlimited websites and you will get 50 GB SSD storage. So if you are looking to purchase a shared hosting plan, then we recommend you to purchase the Mini plan if you need to create one website only. But if you want to create more than one website, then the Start plan is the right choice for you. Scala Hosting is very well known for its VPS, so let's talk about its VPS plan. So Scala Hosting has four managed VPS hosting plans: the Start, Advanced, Business, and Enterprise plan. And the starting price is only $9.95 per month, which is completely reasonable because you are getting more than just a server. Managed means that you get all of the stuff like control panels, tools to set up your website, SSL certificates, email accounts, and you even get to register a name for your website. On top of that, you also get 24/7 live chat assistance if anything ever goes wrong. The price of Scala VPS hosting is cheap and one of the best prices compared to all the other VPS hosting. So if you are looking for the best and cheap VPS hosting, then without any doubt Scala Hosting is the best choice for you. And also make sure that you can get more discounts on Scala Hosting plans if you visit Scala Hosting from the link given in the description below this video. Now let's talk about Scala Hosting RAM usage and pricing. On your Scala Hosting dashboard, you will find the graph where it shows your website usage. Let's say if you run out of RAM dedicated, you don't need to pay 2 times or 3 times more to upgrade your web hosting plan. You can just add more RAM by going into resources and choosing to add a couple more GB of RAM on top of our existing plan. This only costs a couple of dollars extra per month. Keep in mind that you can do this after you've purchased your plan. And not only you can add resources to make your plans more powerful, you can also remove them if you see that you're not using them to make your plans cheaper. This is also one of the reasons why Scala Hosting is the best VPS hosting provider. Now let's talk about how long should you buy Scala Hosting plan. You can purchase the Scala Hosting plan for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. The longer you buy, the cheaper it's get. So I always recommend you to purchase it for the long 36-month terms. So you have to pay $9.95 per month, which is cheap for this managed VPS hosting. And also Scala Hosting provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not completely satisfied with their web hosting, then you can ask for the full refund before the 30 days of the purchase. So that's why always purchase for a longer period to get more discounts. Now let's talk about some benefits of using Scala VPS and cloud hosting. Scala Hosting is a primarily cloud or VPS hosting provider. And actually, cloud or VPS hosting is getting much cheaper. It's also faster and safer for your website. Many people don't use cloud or VPS because it used to be complicated managing remote servers, installing and configuring software without even having a user interface. But with Scala Hosting, they are now offering the simplicity of shared web hosting together with the performance and benefits of cloud or VPS hosting. The biggest advantage of using Scala Hosting over other VPS or cloud hosting companies is the fact that you get a control panel together with your server. And the control panel is free. Now let's talk about its ease of use. The most interesting part here is in the SPanel. SPanel is the custom-developed tool by Scala Hosting. It only comes with Scala Hosting plans. If you would click Login to SPanel, you would be taken to your server management tools. You can create as many websites as you want just by clicking on Create an Account and filling out the new website information. So with Scala Hosting, you're not buying web hosting packages or plans or stuff like that. You're just buying server resources, and the way you choose to use your resources is completely up to you. You could host one really large website or just 100 small ones. Especially if you're a freelance developer, you could use your server to host your clients' projects and bill them for the hosting. And once you click List Accounts, you can see all of the different websites that you're currently hosting on your server. And this takes you to the SPanel, like just deeper inside of it. Which in terms of functionality is exactly what you would see on a shared web hosting plan with cPanel. So you have the option to create a website from an installer script. You have the most popular choices like WordPress. But inside Softaculous there are other scripts available for e-commerce forms, blogs and stuff like that available. Our recommendation though, if you're using an installer script, stick to WordPress. So without any doubt, Scala Hosting is one of the best and easy to use VPS hosting in the world. Now let's talk about Scala Hosting speed and performance. So after creating and optimizing our website on Scala Hosting, we did the speed test using GT metrics. And the result is 1.2 seconds. 1.2 seconds is way below the recommended 3-second mark by Google. We're using like 20 to 30 capacity, so we could have more visitors on there, we could have more websites, or we could just have a bigger website and the performance wouldn't degrade at all. So definitely the speed is great. Let's talk about pros and cons of Scala Hosting. The first pro is their page load speed is great, 1.2 seconds. You will get free SSL and a free domain name for 1 year as well. Their customer support is also really great. Very easy to use control panel for VPS as well. One-click WordPress and other CMS installers included. And the last pro is the 30-day money-back guarantee. So now let's talk about the cons. So the first con is that the SSDs are only available for the VPS plan only. And this is the only cons of Scala Hosting. Now the second VPS hosting on our list is Hostinger. Hostinger is a popular and cheap VPS hosting service that offers options for both Linux and Windows users. From their VPS page you can see they provide a lot of options. And the price of their start plan is only $3.95 per month. And this is one of the cheapest VPS hostings you can get. Also I'll show you how to get more discount on it. So simply choose the best VPS plan for you. And here you can see the price has been discounted to $3.63 per month. Because if you scroll down to the end, then you can enter this coupon code to get the discount. Simply visit Hostinger from the description link and use the coupon code from there to get this discount. So for their 4 years of VPS hosting plan, you only have to pay $174.24. And that's Hostinger is the cheapest VPS hosting. And I always recommend you to choose their longest plan, as they also have a 30 days money back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied with their hosting, then you'll get the full refund if requested within the 30 days of purchase. So if you are the one looking for the cheapest VPS hosting plan, then without any doubt Hostinger VPS is the best choice for you. So overall, this is my recommendation for you. If you're looking for the best, easy to use and affordable VPS hosting with great features, then without any doubt you must choose Scala Hosting. Or if you're looking for the cheapest VPS hosting, then you can choose Hostinger VPS Hosting. Also, if you're ready to make a web hosting purchase, then consider purchasing it from the description link and get yourself a discount if one's available. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with moat review videos like this. Thanks for watching.